there. I'm really excited for you that we are on lesson 1 of the Become a Natural guitar course. I just can't wait to hear back from you after a few more weeks or months about the results of this course in your playing. A couple things I want to make sure you watch the orientation before you take this lesson. It's really important to watch the orientation. This instruction is really different. The orientation is linked to this in a playlist. It's called Become a Natural Orientation. I also want to make sure you know there's a preface to the first lesson. I made a preface for beginners and a preface for Beyond Beginner. So make sure and watch that, because in the lesson for the exercise, I want to just play through the exercise and not say much else. So make sure you watch the preface too. I think, and I just want to remind you, it's not important to understand this. You will understand it after a few more lessons. It's a lot easier to explain and understand. And it's better to just copy me than it is to read the tablature. If you're able to just copy me, do that. And if you need the tablature to clarify anything that might be confusing, then read the tablature. So what I'm playing is exactly the tablature. I'm going to be following the tablature, starting with the 6th string. And by the way, it's a good idea to put your finger here just to think of the 6th string not as this open space. When we play the 6th string open for now, think of it as a spot. This is fret 1, 2, 3. This is fret 0. So let's put our finger there just to remind us to think of that as the spot for E open. And then we're going to play 2nd fret and back to open. And I also want to say, since we're new at this, it's a lot of frets and strings and numbers, and I might make a mistake once in a while. So if something sounds totally off the wall, we're on string 2 and I say string 4 or something like that, if you think I made a mistake, you're probably right. And I try really hard not to do that, and that's why I go a little slow sometimes. Let's start again at the beginning, since I jabbered a little bit. 6th string open. We're going to mark that spot to help our brain. And 2nd fret, and then 0 fret. Okay. And then we're going to move to 5th string open, 2nd fret, open, 4th string, open, 2nd fret, open, 3rd string, open, 2nd fret, open. And then when we get to 2nd string, we're going to play 1st fret. Whole step higher, back to 1st fret, and then 1st string, 1st fret, whole step higher, back to 1st fret. And then we're going to go down to the 1st fret on the 6th string, and then 5th string, 1st fret, 3rd fret, 1st fret, 4th string, 1st fret, 3rd fret, 1st fret, 3rd string, sorry that wasn't very loud, 3rd fret, 1st fret. And then when we go to the 2nd string, we'll be on the second fret. 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret. 1st string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret. Then we go to the same fret, 6th string, and we repeat that pattern. 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret, and the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret. And now we're going to play 2nd fret again on the 3rd string, open second string. And then we're going to move to 3rd fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 3rd fret. Then you're going to play that same note again, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st string, open, back to where we started. And then we move up to 3rd fret, 1st string, 5th fret, back to 3rd fret. Then we go same fret, 6th string, and repeat the pattern. We're going to play 3rd fret again, and then we're going to play open 5th string. Then we're going to move to the 5th string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret. Then we play 3rd fret again, play 4th string open, back to 5th string, 3rd fret. Move up to 4th string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret. Then, I'm going to put that finger out. Don't worry too much about fingering yet. We're going to play that note again. Oh, wait a minute. Did I? I'm watching the tab and the screen. Let's see. 4th string, 3rd fret, and then the open 3rd string, back to 3rd. Just wanted to make sure I didn't skip a line. Now we're moving to 3rd string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, see what I mean? Back to 3rd. And now 3rd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret. So I'm here and here. Whoops. And then we're gonna go to, let's see, boy, it's hard to keep my place. Now we're going to go, that's our last starting spot was here. So we go to 4th fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 6th fret, 4th fret, 4th fret, 6th fret, 4th fret, and now we're just repeating the pattern on the 6th string, on the 5th string, on the 4th string. And now something interesting happens. If we play the 3rd string, 4th fret, 6th fret, 4th fret. Now we have another interesting thing that happens. Play that same note again, 4th fret, 3rd string, then 2nd string, 2nd fret, back to 3rd string. And then as we move to the 2nd string, we start on 5th fret. And then 1st string. And then same note, same fret, 6th string. And now we are on the 6th, we're at the top of the 2nd page where we're on the 6th string, 5, 7, 5, and then 5, 7, 5 on the 5th string, 5, 7, 5 on the 4th string. And you'll notice we just played 5, 7, 5 on the 3rd string. Whenever we're going from 3rd to 2nd, we can do that similar pattern to what we did before. That was 5th fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, back to 3rd string. And then when we go to the 2nd string, our starting place is on the 6th fret. Down to the same fret, 6th string, and we're just just going to follow this pattern. And now I'm on the 3rd string, 6th fret, 8th fret, 6th fret. Then I'm going to play that 6th fret again, and I'm going to get the same sound on the 2nd string, 4th fret. Let's see. And then we're going, as we move to the 2nd string, our starting place is 7th fret. And at the end of the PDF, there's some blank space where, as you continue the pattern, you could try writing your own tablature there. So that's it for now. And I'm glad you're here. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already done that. And I will see you next time. Bye.